our vision is to extract health from nature. We have quite a variety of products targeting the different people, the different clientele that we have. We have customers that just look for refreshments, and we have such products tailor-made for them, such as the usual mango juice, cocktail, pineapple juices. We also have those that are looking for healthy, simple meals so that they don't have to eat the junky foods that are available in most of the outlets in Nairobi. So we target particular products for such people, and we also have products that aid people for pre and post-workout when they are going for gyms. Also products tailor-made for deficiencies in the body. Like we have customers who can want to supplement iron, supplement calcium in their bodies. We also have products that are tailor-made for men in terms of their reproductive health, such like power porridge that helps in libido boosts, and also detoxes that help the male reproductive system that are geared towards preventing prostate cancer. We also do weight loss using natural products. We also do nutritional supplements for people living with lifestyle sicknesses like diabetes, arthritis, high blood pressure. Most of our products are done at our joint here at Greenwells. We source for organic vegetables, organic fruits, and process from here using equipment like juicers, blenders. We have sugarcane juice. We have some products that we have sourced from other farmers, like our honey, but we ensure that it is well harvested and it is purely organic. It is not contaminated with chemicals. As a client of KCIC, I look forward to being grounded as an entrepreneur, grounded in terms of the structures of business, financial structures, market structures, distribution accounts, so that I am able to scale up, because I do not want to scale up when I still have a shaky foundation. So I'm looking at achieving a solid foundation with KCIC. I'm also looking at being able to be connected with other people doing similar business like I'm doing, and of course benefit from funding opportunities. KCIC has been a prayer answered for me, because as a startup you end up carrying all the burdens of the business, and many times you have no one to discuss your challenges with. Or the startup businesses that you would also discuss with their founders, they also are in the same scenario like you are. So you end up just speaking about your problems and no solution at the end of the day. So for me, being with KCIC now for about 2 months, it has helped me relax, knowing that there's somebody or a people I can communicate to, and they have been of great help. We are already achieving some milestones. My much appreciation goes to the donors of this program, KCIC, Danida, European Union, because my business being only 1.5 years old, I'm assured that I will not trend in the difficult paths that other startup businesses have had to go through. While we are just very young, they have come to our aid. So much appreciation, and my promise is that we will not disappoint as Greenwells. We will cooperate in the journey. We will give back for the mentorship that we are receiving, and for any other help that is going to be accorded to us. 1 year from now, 2 years from now, we shall surely say that the fingerprints that the Danida people, the KCIC European Union has left in Greenwells will be permanent.